Hi, this is Mr. Kieffer, and we are going to make the very last puzzle piece. We're going to call it the orange piece, and it looks like you could make a square here, extrude that out. You could add a piece to that. There's a lot of different ways that you could solve this problem, but it'll be fun. It's all on one plane too, so that makes it even easier. So let's go ahead and create a design. Hopefully, hopefully these videos are helpful to you. One nice thing about videos is that if you don't catch it the first time, you can rewind it and keep looking at it and keep working on it until you actually get what you're looking for. So here we go. We're trying to get Tinkercad raring and ready to go. Seems like it's taking a while. Yeah, it's going to be a challenge. We got probably a lot of people using the internet right now. All right, so let's go to inches, update the grid. There we go. We had a little interruption there, but that's okay. So let's see. We want to change the name to orange. There we go. Go with orange, and that will be good. And so let's go ahead and find solid box. Now there are all sorts of other shapes and things that you can work with, but we've been mainly just working with the box. But once you have this down, you can do all sorts of fun stuff. And this program is really free. You can use it at any time, however you want to. And so let's go ahead and start with, let's just try to get this box done first. So with the height, that would be 0.75. If I can get that to pop up here, there we go. 0.75. And the width is going to be 1.5. And the length will be 1.5. 1.5. And hit enter. And so now we have that flat part right here. Really all we need to do then is just add one more block right onto this part right there, which we should be able to do quite easily. So let's just go ahead and slide this over. And we can just make that one block. So that's going to be 0.75. And this one's going to be 0.75, and the other one will be 0.75 as well. That's 3/4 of an inch. Hit enter. And we should just double check to make sure that they are on the grid correctly. Let's go with bottom. That looks good. Let's make it, let's make it a little bit bigger. Yep, that we can move it, but it is clearly on the grid. Good. And we can move this as well. Make sure it's on the grid. We should get rid of that piece right there. Hopefully I didn't mess something up here. I'm not sure. Switch to flat view. Yep. There we go. And that is looking good. So we should be able to just go ahead and we'll flip it back around. Click on here. We'll zoom in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. Click on this object. We can move it then with the arrows. And we got this piece together like that. Can almost put it right on the screen to see how it's looking. And that looks good. So let's go ahead and combine those pieces. That light keeps going off. So we got two shapes. We'll make it into one. Perfect. Now the only thing we need to do now is make it orange. Can't forget to do that, otherwise it'll be the wrong color. Let's see, is there an orange in here? That's kind of an orange. What does that look like? I think that's about as close as we're going to get right there. Orange, not quite in yellow. It should be okay. We'll go with that. So good job. We got this done. Let's go ahead and save it. In Tinkercad. And I'm assuming it's going through the process of saving it right now. And yep, it should be coming here any minute. There it goes. And so if you have any questions, please, feel free to send me an email, or you want to meet at a special time. I can certainly show you these things again. There's just a little bit of delay, but this is recording, so I think it'll be okay if we do it on Google Meets. Yep, that looks good. We've got the orange piece there. We've got blue, yellow. So I think we've gotten all the pieces done. So now the next thing we need to do is assemble them, and that will be tricky. But I will show you, and hopefully it'll make sense and you'll be able to do it yourself. So have a fantastic day. We'll see you till the next time. Bye.